sponsor is Rebecca's Health and Nutrition Source, Rebecca Niemann.
Good morning, everyone. I am Rebecca. From Rebecca's Health and Nutrition Source in Lapeer, and that's Jill over there. We're located behind Starbucks by Myers, and we're more than a health food store. We do have some great food and great supplements, but we also specialize in alternative health methods, like the detoxification, we have chelation, and we do oxygen therapy. And right now, to help educate our clients, we're bringing Dr. Brownstein into town. He'll be at Davison Auditorium. And Dr. Brownstein, he's the author of this book. He's been talking about the importance of iodine for years. And if you don't know, right now, at the end of today, every health food store in the United States will be out of iodine. And anyone that's into alternative health, like myself, knows the importance of iodine with the situation in Japan. And we have over 100 nuclear plants here in the United States. And if you don't know about iodine, I highly recommend that you come see Dr. Brownstein, learn the importance of iodine, learn the importance of protecting your thyroid and your health. See, he'll be at Davison Auditorium at the high school. It'll be next Saturday from 12 to 3. He talks about cancer, high cholesterol, blood pressure. And his story is he was an MD. He has a practice in West Bloomfield. 2 months after he opened his own practice, his dad came down sick. And he knew that with the education that he had, he could not heal his father. And he sought after, he went to a chiropractor first, and he searched out alternative health measures. And 3 years later, now his father is healthy. And Dr. Brownstein has never went back to traditional medicine. And he heals his patients through, iodine, herbs, supplements. And he is the #1 holistic doctor in Michigan. He speaks all around the United States. And he is an awesome speaker. He's great to listen to. And if you haven't seen him, you have time next Saturday, please come. Rebecca's Health and Nutrition Source has tickets for $15 at the store. Dr. Brownstein usually charges $35, so it's a great, great value. Just like always, our store prices are always 30 to 40% under retail. We have a great staff. Please come in and see us, and we would love to see you at Dr. Brownstein. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.